Okay, so I am working on some dumplings. So I'll show you guys how I'm doing them. And so I bought some pre-made wrappers from the Asian store. This is how they look, and this is one of the wrappers. So all I do is I take the wrapper, I take some of my filling, not too much. I take some water, I go all around, take my wrapper, fold it in half, and I make it pretty however I can. And there's one more. I'll do one more. It's surprisingly easy to do these. Oh, I guess that's enough. I've been really getting into cooking recently. Now I like Asian cooking because when I went to study abroad in China, I took a cooking class there, and before that I didn't cook at all, so my specialty is Asian cooking. Okay, so I'm gonna put these on the fridge for a little bit, and once they're a little cold, I am gonna steam them in my bamboo steamer, which I got from the Asian store today, so I'll show you guys that when I'm ready. Okay, so I took my dumplings, and here's my steamer. I just got it. I kind of had some technical issues because it doesn't fit on the pot, but I put it right on top. So it's a 2-tier system, and you have to line it with lettuce or with cabbage. So I had some lettuce that I wasn't gonna eat, so I put it there.